Now in this example, okay, this is very interesting one. Real fence cipher. Key is 2, plain text is this one, encrypted. Okay, nothing is as it seems. Okay, so there is ciphertext. How they did this ciphertext? See, by using this rail. It's called rail fence. Rail fence means it is just like a a Qatar. Qatar, you know about it? Railway lines, railway lines or this thing. So it is just like a see Qatar. So this one is just like okay. So he wants to encrypt this one. See, nothing is as it seems. Okay, so now how he encrypted this one? Just tell me. It's very like kids game. So even if I tell my son he's like 7 years old, he can do it. Yeah. So I hope you can also do it now quickly. Now this is a plain text, okay, and the depth of the rail fence is how much? 2. 2 means there are 2 lines, okay, 2 railway lines, right? And the order is like this one. See, zigzag. If it is 3, so you have to go more, 1 step more. If it is 4, you have to go 1 step more. So the more the depth, the more is the confusion over there, right? Now you see. You start with the N is here, O is here, T is up, H is down, I is up, N is down, G is up, I is down. See, you see now, you understand how they arrange it? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now see here how we do it. So we take this one as a one word and put it here. See, we take the another one, okay. STEM, okay, O, we take another one, okay, and then we take another word, okay, and this the last one is remaining is this one. See, so how many words we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. The words are same, but we make a fence for that. So this one is easier. Is it easier?
Yeah, easy. But doctor, how do we determine to stop at M?
Okay, so first we need usually. Let's read the full text over there. The plain text is written down as a sequence of diagonals and then read off as a sequence. So the key of the rail fence is the number of rails, okay, and depth of diagonals. So key is 2, plain text is this one. First writing the nothing is this one on the 2 lines in a zigzag path or rail fence. The ciphertext is produced by transcribing the first row followed by the second row. Okay, so usually if you read in depth of the rail fence, though, so they have said that you have to go like 5 letters over there. So usually C is 5 letters over there, right? So you can it can be changed. You can make 6 over there, no problem. But usually the traditional in the rail fence is 5. Okay, then this is normal tradition over there, right? No, it means here I am talking about here. It's 5, 5, 5. But here is only 3 letters. Why? Because rest are missing. See, there is no other words. That's why. So all are 5, 5. If you can you count it, please again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you have to make a set of. This is called seed. Seed means like kind of thing which we in Arabic I don't know what you call seed. When you put in the earth and it becomes grow, that's called seed. Okay, so the seed is here is 5 digits over there, right? But here it is a normal text over there, right?